course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about another Amazon wig. Is truly the platinum color, and I love it. So this is from Coss Wigs. I did do a wig from them in this delicious blue ombre. I mean, that one was stunning, and honestly I was like really excited to try like more of a natural colored wig, and of course a wig that is most like my real hair. It actually comes with this really great instruction little card right here, and they really have a lot of really gorgeous colored wigs, like that blue ombre. Like, I've never seen that before, so I was actually really excited. So definitely check them out. Comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as it arrives, you were ready to go and put her on. Curly, or curly wavy, 14-inch platinum bob. Look at that. And this one is truly a platinum color, 150% density. The actual construction of the wig, she does have that 2.5-inch parting right here. She does also have light lace, which is really great. She has 2 combs on the side here, and then 1 comb right here in the middle, with the fasteners on the bottom. This is a medium capped wig. You can just take a little peek of inside what's going on here. Medium capped wig. And also she is heat resistant up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify her. You can see that the roots are an ashy brown color. Okay, so let's put her on. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I have from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Deal of the century. I'll leave the link down below for that. I put my wigs on front to back. And all I did with this girl is just cut the lace off. Haven't done anything else to it, but let's just put her down the middle. One thing, of course, I do like about shorter wigs is that, you know, they do tangle a little bit less, and even though these Amazon wigs do tangle a lot less than other wigs that I own, but it's even less tangle. And then also shedding is actually very minimal as well with these wigs. So let's just kind of fluff her. I mean, look how voluminous she is. Oh my gosh, I just really love it. And this hairline is really great too. A little powder to the root, just so we can see it. So you can see the parting didn't go all the way in, but just like an inch or so. But that looks really great. Oh my gosh, I love how voluminous this is. I love the waves. I love a bob wig. Love, love, love. Okay, so let's change the parting a little bit and just flip it. Oh my gosh. If you could tame, like kind of get this organized where this kind of does this look, oh my gosh, super amazing. I see girls that do this with their own hair, and of course my hair would never do this. But this is so cute. Let's put it on this side and see what happens. Oh, she's just like a voluminous dream. A voluminous dream come true. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I love the curls. I love how fun and voluminous this is. Oh my gosh, it just is like a an array of options, and that's what I absolutely love, is lots of options. This wig is from Coss Wigs from Amazon Prime. So definitely check them out. Let me know what you think about this wig. And honestly, like I mentioned before, I feel like it's really hard to find like a true Ashy platinum wig. If you have one, let me know about it. Let us all know about it. We want to know. Of course, also let me know if you have any Coss Wigs or if you got that blue ombre. I would love to see you in it. So, of course, reach out to me on Instagram. Send me your photos. Email me your pictures. Honestly, I love to see them. And of course, leave me a comment down below as well. And of course, let's all come together and empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. It is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in an amazing ombre platinum ashy blonde wig, wear it. And of course I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.